Hello guys, welcome to you all my YouTube channel GoTech Plus. I am ABHISHA, motivational speaker who motivates others and take out the creative personality from them. And as you know that in our daily life we all watch the dreams in the night we sleep, and in the dreams we also pray the God to that the God, please make my dream true. But what happens when the dream doesn't come true? In the dream you also saw yourself, you also must have seen yourself that you are the big person, that you also have become the elder, means many of the creativities you see. But in reality, what has happened to the reality? Do you not want to make your dream in the reality? That in the reality your dreams should be to go on. The main thing which resists ourselves, which resists us to make our dreams unfit for us, one thing, that is the motivation, the peoples in surrounding you and also the you, which demotivate others. And you also must have seen the peoples who could not go more ahead, they could not reach on their success, they could not reach to their peak. So what do? They dismotivate others. And motivation creates a general liquid in our mind, by which it generates a passion in our mind. For that, it gives the energy to do that work. And after doing that work, actually the work which you have done, it's not your target, it's your dream. And in our daily life we also confuse our mind, we also confuse our dreams, that what should we become. In dreams, just consider, many of the people think that I'm to get job, many people think that I'm to get the private job. But what is this? They are confusing themselves. Actually the real dream, the dream which matters, are the one which inspire us and give us a right. Dream which you have thought in your mind, in your body, it generates a something desired passion in you. Actually the dream is not that which you have seen yourself, which you have seen in your mind. The dream is that which never let you to sleep. The dream is that which never let you to sleep, never let you to think about any other thing. We have a lot of work in this world, are to do, what to do, when to do. Many these words, if you know the how to do, when to do, and where to do, if you have gotten the answer of these three words, these three questions, then you can get the success. And also I'm also telling you that to follow your dreams and just do it. If you want to become any of the person, engineer, doctor, many of the lips of the persons engineer, doctor come. Why? Because they know these are the only the as the common persons. But if you want to be a unique, a rare person which no one has thought, means out of the mind, to boggle others mind. How will you boggle? Because in the dreams we must see that we know a lot of things, that the mind works very faster in the dreams. Whatever we want, it just happens. If we have just prayed to the God that I have to become the big in the dreams, we become. If we have thought that we are to be the reach fast, we have to run fast, we run fast. So how does it happen? It depends on our mind, conscious mind and subconscious mind. And there is also the one thing that I want to tell you. Dreams are not the that which you have seen. Dreams are the that which you have never seen. As we know that in this world there are a lot of motors work, bicycles goes, and there is also a routine has become that to get up early in the morning, that to sleep at night, that to have the food, that to do the enjoyment. But where is the dream? Where is the target? Where it has gone? Neither you have the dream, neither you have the aim, neither you have the target. If a shooter, you also must have seen as a shooter. Shooter always shoots at his aim. He knows that at the straight his aim is there. At the green point he is to shoot. Why could he do and become the international archiver, shooter? These the you have to focus on your main aim. I'm not telling that you should not enjoy, you should not spend your time, but you should invest your time, not to spend, not to waste. Investment, how would you do? Just as you have thought, you are to read any book and it's out of your syllabus. You are reading just to enjoy yourself. What you are doing? You are making yourself to do more hard work. How will you do? By learning the more books, by reading the more books. Okay, that's how the mind of our mind, and you also are supposed by others to follow your dreams. And next time I'm also telling you that follow your dreams and just do it. Thank you and subscribe my channel.